Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So let's see what's something that you need to know. Well, this is gonna be my regular this now that every day I'll be keeping on updating on the daily tarot update. Okay, so take what resonates to you, don't try to fit in. And whoever wants in-depth reading, you're most welcome. You can get into my description box and you will find a link over there. You can fill it and I'll reach out to you. So now let's see what's something that you need to know. Dear spirit guides, please let me know what's something that my viewers need to know. Ooh. I think this is for love. This is for love. So I see there is some offer coming to you. Could be recently you're dreaming about someone, or this is for those who are singles and who are in a crush, who, for people I see who is thinking about someone coming back to them, or someone confessing their love to them. There is that person coming. Probably you're manifesting, you're dreaming, you're having visions, or, there's a lot, you are in a very good fantasy world right now. Okay, so I see there is somebody who is going to come, who is going to give you an offer over here. So today's reading is about love, because I have got Two of Cups. So I even see that if somebody has hurt you in the past, so there is an apology coming for you. And people, who love blue, white, pink, mustard yellow, and beach. So for them, I see, these are the colors that if you love, then I see there is some friend of yours, if you had a fight and it's been long and they have blocked you. So I see them unblocking you and coming back to you with an apology. You might receive or hear from them. Okay. So yes, this is what I see coming to you. And probably you guys love going to beach, or you love beaches. So there is probably you're planning to go on a date, but you want to go to beach. So I'm getting beach. So yes, I think that you guys might be planning to go to beach, or they might confess you over there. Never know. There's justice also coming over here. So there is some kind of truth that's going to be revealed. So yes, that is a confession about some confession that somebody wants to say you. Okay, let's see what else, guys. What else they need to know? What else do my viewers need to know? So guys, what else do my viewers need to know? Whoa, they really praise you, they really love your beauty, they really love the way you appear. Could be you really have a good dressing sense and they adore you a lot. Okay, you guys have met in some function, and like college cultural functions, or anybody's wedding or something as such, that there was a time when they fell in love with you, or they really loved you, had a click. But I even see some people are literally overthinking about this person. If you probably they're thinking that what if this person has somebody else already. This is for those I feel who are still not aware that this person is single or not, and this is somebody who is having a first time crush, and you have met this persons in just a week ago, or some 2-3 days ago, and you're not really aware if this person has somebody else or not in their life, and you're still trying to figure it out. I see some kind of overthinking is going on. For some, I see that what if if we come in a relationship, what if this bond breaks? Or for some, I see that if you're going to confess your love to this person, what if they will accept it or not? So I see a lot of confusions, a lot of overthinking, and this overthinking is somewhere hurting you also emotionally, but you're not really trying it. Like I would say, you just rather than overthinking so much, just go take an action. And with this end cup, sorry, with this end deck of King of Cups and over here Queen of Cups, I see for most of you this is a heavenly mate pair. Like, you guys could be a soulmate, and this is what you guys were meant to come together with each other. So this is happening, guys. So this soulmate connection, this spiritual bond is happening for you guys. So let's pick up some more cards and see what else do the spirit guides want to say you. What else do spirit guides want to say to my viewers? What else do you want to say? Time is clicking. Tick tock, here and now. So yes, don't delay. I don't know why I've been getting don't delay. So just right away get into this and don't delay. Time is clicking. Okay, you might lose this opportunity. This person also do love you, and I see this is for mostly you are a water sign. Okay, you or could be your person, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and for few it is the earth sign, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. So yes, I see there's definitely this love, but it is even a guidance that don't wait, just you're in a right place with the right person, just go confess it up, don't overthink and don't miss this opportunity, I would say. So a leg up, guys, a leg up, go take an action towards it. What else do you want to say, spirit guides? What else do you have for them? The tribe. I told you guys have a spiritual connection, or it could be a soulmate. So it is the tribe. Tribe means somebody of our own, our family connections. We say ancestors or something, or past life we both were together. Tribe has come back. Let's see what else. What else do you want to give them, spirit guides? What else message that you want? See, it's given missed opportunity. Please don't miss this opportunity. Then you're gonna sit regretting, feeling guilty about the things and all. Okay, there is a hope. Definitely you guys have a hope that you guys are meant to be together, or you might have a future. Somebody might already be getting the intuition, that gut feelings that you guys are meant to be with each other and all. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is what the spirit guides are saying you, that don't miss this chance, don't miss this opportunity. Please go and confess your love to them, whatever you have. The more you delay, there's a more chance. Let's see what else about this. What more information do you want to give on this, spirit guides, to my viewers? What more information you want to give on this? What more information you want to give on this? So be careful from the people. There could be haters around you who doesn't want to see your happiness. So be aware of it. Okay. So such people, if you know or if you think they're around you, please dust them off. Whatever negativity or heaviness do you have, please let it go. And there is bad karma, so don't wish for anybody's bad, or don't do bad to anyone. Please try helping somebody or do some donations and be good to others. Be with a good intention. Don't sit and bitch about others. Okay, please don't do something wrong, because I see it's there is a time that it will come back to you if you're in a situationship, or just using somebody for something and all. Please don't do that. It's gonna hit in a very bad way. Okay, you guys can't expect escape from this. And mainly for those who are in the birth date of 8, 17 and 26, you guys don't have this excuse of doing bad karma to anybody. Okay, then you are really not spared. You will get that instant karma check back. So give a closer look. This has been coming again and again by this happiness and hater over here. Please give a closer look to those who are trying to be very nosy in your business. Okay, who could be a friend, like, when are you gonna date? Do you like this girl? Updating about your love life, relationship. See, don't do that. Don't update about your love life or anything. Please keep it private as much as you can, no matter how good friend they are. But please try to avoid all this, because end में तो अपने से ही आते हैं पूरे, मतलब it's an fact. So let's see what guidance the spirit guides want to see, give you. What does my spirit guides want to say for this viewers? What guidance do you want to give for my viewers? So if you have come out of something really that has been hurting you, please heal yourself. Okay, I'd see there is something that has been bothering you, or could be you're sticking to your ego, because I've got egoistic approach over here. If you're having this ego or anything that might have had a very bad past with somebody, so please heal from that to manifest your soulmate, because I see that coming. And for most of you, you're gonna meet this person within next 2 months to 7 months is the time duration. Okay, I see you meeting within this durations. So believe in it, believe in yourself. This is gonna happen. There's great things coming up for you. There is an abundant wealth, health and love. Everything is gonna be on your side. And yeah, if somebody is really trying to hurt you or do something, just stay silent and don't go barking back at them. Okay, so yes, let's see something. What else do spirit guys have to say on this? What else do you want to give them? What else? Okay, if you're going through any kind of bad health, please take care of your health also, guys. This is a main warning. If you are suffering from something, and if you're like, okay, I have got this tablet, let me just eat it, I'll be fine in next 2, 3, 5 days. No, please go and get yourself checked up. Okay, if you're going through some health issues repeatedly, again and again, falling sick from like no reason, know this from last month, if you're falling sick, so please go and get it checked. And family room, I see there is some discussion that's gonna come up, or there's gonna be a family time, family things that you guys are gonna have a family tour, or you guys are gonna have a get together with your family. Could be there is some major discussion that's gonna go on with you or family, if you want to like express about your love life, like if you want to say about somebody. There is a female over here, so yeah, so if you want to say about your person to your family, if you're going to confess this thing, then I see there is a family time for you that's gonna come up very soon. And yes, that's it, that's all. See you soon tomorrow with another reading. Let's see what else surprise will be unlocked tomorrow. So today it was all about love, a major love decision, and this is somebody, whoever gonna come is gonna be your long term. You guys can end up marrying each other, and even if not, but I see it will go for a long, like you will stay together for years together. So this is your soul tribe itself, okay, your soul mate itself, that is meant to come in this lifetime. They are, I don't say it is going to be any kind of karmic or any kind of harm, because the energies are really great and good, and you will be appreciated so much that you will tap into your emotional side also. If you're being very practical, cold hearted right now, then I see you going to be changed. So yes, this is something a very a deep connection that's gonna come in for you. All the best for this, and for more such videos, keep watching and do subscribe. And if you want a personal reading, you are always welcome. Please go into my description box and you can tap it on the link. And yes, bye bye, love you all.